Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Melo token. Now the Melo token is insanely popular right now, huge 24-hour trading volume, huge market cap. It's up 70,000% in the past 24 hours. Just came out 13 hours ago. It's trending number 1 and number 3 right now on DEX Screener in the Ethereum section. Trending number 9 on DEX Tool, actually number 8 on DEX Tools. And it was just announced that they are getting a very big central exchange listing, probably a few central exchange listings in the works. We're going to go over the information on the Melo token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Melo, M-E-L-O, is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. 9 decimal places on this token. Right now they have 1,749 holders according to their Etherscan. They've had 13,397 transfers. And there is a max total supply of 420,690,000,000 Melo tokens. Now you can find the token on Etherscan, but you could also find the chart on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. They have a community Telegram at Melo Community, 218 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, along with their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual. Their Twitter is at CTO_Melo. And CTO is short for Community Takeover. So, needless to say that community is running the token, supposedly. We'll have check. Usually there's a community takeover little message on DEX Screener that we could find in a second, see if that's on there. But it says Melo is a community ran token about Billy M2K's newest cat, Melo. And it says the Doge founder's cat. So this guy, Billy M2K, I believe there's 2 Doge founders. I think there's 2 people like who are the head of Doge or who made it, whatever. The developers, correct me if I'm wrong, but I guess this guy's one of them. 39 posts, and they have their Telegram linked right there. They just joined in September. They have the contract address right there. And 546 Twitter followers. So there's a couple different ways to get this token. So first of all, if you want to get it off a central exchange, it was just announced 8 hours ago on Bitmart's Twitter at Bitmart Exchange. It says upcoming new listing. Bitmart will list Melo soon. So keep an eye on our socials for further announcements. So if you follow Bitmart's Twitter at Bitmart Exchange, or you follow this Twitter right here because they retweeted it, you'll be able to get this token very soon off of Bitmart. So you could download Bitmart from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search MELO, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So if you want to get it before it gets listed on Bitmart, maybe Bitmart is not available in your country, or maybe you just don't want to use a central exchange, you'd rather use a decentralized exchange, you can get this token off of Uniswap by funding your Trust wallet or your Coinbase wallet or MetaMask wallet with ETH You could download one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension. And then you could fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange. Now, there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you fund your wallet with ETH, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then using the contract address you could find right there on their Twitter, you would trade your ETH for the Melo token. Now, you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. We're going to try to find that in a second here. And there is going to be some gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. So just be aware of that. Now, the listing here on DEX Screener does not have a web page, although there was a web page at, oh, no, this is a new web page here because it's mellowcto.com. So basically on their web page, they just have some straightforward information like bio on Uniswap, links to charts, socials, contract address, and it says Melo is an adorable, shy kitten who is who has just joined a boba to keep her company. He's a bit timid now, but soon they'll be best friends, sharing snuggles and playtime. His sweet name, short for Carmelo, and I did see a kind of like a copycat token with a ticker symbol Melo, full name Carmelo, come out today as well, trying to play off the hype of this token. Matches his gentle personality perfectly. So basically what I'm saying is that there is going to be probably a few knockoff tokens that are going to have similar either names or ticker symbols or both. Maybe they're on different chains, but just be aware. This is the one right here that I'm talking about. So if you kind of search Melo, a different one may pop up and you might get confused. But that is the community takeover Twitter right there. So it says Melo has 0% taxes. So it says you probably won't have to, set your slippage too high. Maybe if the network's congested, you might have to move it up a little bit, but no taxes. Melo's liquidity is burnt. And then it says 8.5% of the total supply was allocated to @BillyM2K. And then it says Billy M2K burnt 2.5%. It does show you step-by-step how to use Uniswap. Buy this token on their webpage. This token pair was created 13 hours, 12 minutes ago. There is a community takeover claim on DEX Screener for September 29th for today, so that just happened. And so the token has a market cap of $2.1 million. They've had a $10.4 million 24-hour trading volume, $179,000 in liquidity in Uniswap, and according to DEX Screener, 80.14% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.